Hi, I'm Bethany Chico, a nurse practitioner with CallonDoc. My favorite diabetes tip is the diabetic plate method. The reason I love the diabetes plate method is because it's free, it doesn't require any special foods, it's not restrictive, and you can use it anywhere. You can use it at a potluck, you can use it at your favorite restaurant. So let's get into it. Go ahead, grab yourself a plate. What we're gonna do is divide your plate in half. The first half of that plate is gonna be your non-starchy vegetables. Think broccoli, green beans, salad, or my favorite, sauteed mushrooms and onions. And then what you're gonna do is divide the rest of your plate in half again. So 1/4 of your plate will be carbohydrate-rich foods like sweet potatoes, whole grain bread, or like a fruit salad. Then the final 1/4 of your plate will be protein-rich foods like fish, steak, or chicken. Finally, you're gonna want something to drink, right? Stick with water or 0-calorie beverages. And if you're looking for a way to fill up your plate, head on over to diabetes.org, where they have some great diabetic-friendly recipes.